How God blesses a man that will be true to the Word of God. Now, he may not be very popular, but he'll be blessed. And now, people have to take your choice, whether you want to act like the rest of the fellows or whether you want to be blessed of God. You can just take your choice. If you're going to live like the rest of them, you'll be blessed to them. But you turn all your desires to God and you'll be blessed of God. So you have to choose you this day who you serve, as the prophet said. Always remember thy Creator. First, always.